Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a dish from Canada and it's called poutine. You are gonna need to peel 3 large potatoes. Now you're gonna cut your potatoes into batons. You are going to soak your potatoes with cold water for 30 minutes. Now you're going to drain and dry your potatoes. Pat them dry. Once your oil is 350 degrees, add your first batch of potato and wait for 4 minutes. Cook your last batch, set aside and make your gravy. For our gravy ingredients, you are going to need butter, flour, garlic, thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce,
beef bouillon,
beef broth. Add your cornstarch and water to make your slurry. Add your slurry to your gravy to thicken. Add salt and pepper to taste. Done. Get your second round of cooking your fries. until crispy. You put the rest in. So all of these fries are already made. Salt to taste. Now we are going to assemble some poutine. First, we are going to add some fries. And now we are going to drizzle our gravy. And now we are going to sprinkle some cheese curds. And now we are going to sprinkle some of this. Ta-da! And that is how you make poutine.